Okay, hey guys, gonna do a video on my new drone, and first time drone owner, first time drone user. I have taken it out on about 2, maybe 3 very short flights. It's the new Skyrover S1. Did a lot of reviews on it and read all up on it, and sounded like a good drone for a beginner like me. So if you're a beginner, let's go. First thing you got to do, download the apps and get it all set up. I've already done all that. I just want to kind of document a flight. So first thing you got to do is turn the app on the phone. Let me find it on my phone. Okay, I'm going to open it all up. Try to do with one hand. These will fold out for the back. These others, see if I can get this on a tripod. Okay, much better. These others will fold out. Make sure you take the cover off that's here. I made that mistake the first time I did it and forgot about it, and the gimbal didn't set up and it was messed up. So that's a little thing for beginners like me. I'm sure people that have been around, it's pretty common. Next thing you want to do is take the little knobs off, put them up here so you can control them. They're neatly stored on the bottom of the controller. Pull this up, take this cord out. All right, I had to take the case off my phone. This charger cable will not fit with the case on my phone. Plug that in. Okay, pull up the app, hit Skyrover S1, and put my phone, clip it in here. To turn the drone on, you hold it, push once and then hold, and it'll click in, make a noise. Same thing on the controller. Push once, hold, it's on, and hopefully it'll get connected. Looks like we are connected. So next thing, gonna go over here.
Home point updated.
Just said home point updated. I'm still new at this, so let's take a flight. There's a couple of things around my neighborhood. Maybe I'll just zoom over there and zoom back, kind of see how things go. Okay, here we are. All right, here we go. Hold the takeoff button.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
We're up. Back. Forward. Back. Forward, rotate, side, side, up, down, we'll go up and out of here. All right, up in the sky. I'm going to try and go all the way over. We have a Vietnamese Buddhist temple down the road. I'm going to see if it'll go all the way over there without losing contact. High enough, definitely, to make sure that we do not hit any kind of trees or anything, or power lines. It's not very windy today. A little bit windy, windier than I'd like it, but it's handling the wind well. The gimbal's keeping everything pretty smooth. I don't know how far that temple is, maybe I don't know, half a mile. They say this thing will go a lot further. Coming up on it, you can see the statue there. It says weak signal, adjust antennas. There's the Vietnamese temple right there. Alright, I guess we went a little bit too far. Let's come back. Turn it around. And we are going to come back home. I think there's just too many trees and too many things blocking the signal here. So range obviously is not crazy. The signal is coming in and out. The image is popping in and out. I think if I was out in a field somewhere or out in the desert, somewhere like that, it'd be pretty good. I don't know how far that temple is. Maybe I'll get on the GPS on my phone and figure out how far in miles. I haven't really looked at or concerned myself with all the little things showing up on the app. Like it says 36 M and there's something at the bottom, 223 M. I don't know. But either way, coming back to the house. Got to get used to looking at things from above to see, because that wind is strong today, stronger than I thought once you're up in the air like that. Let's pan up a little and see if we can go over to the park. There's a park behind this neighborhood, somewhere back there behind those trees. See how far it goes that way before it starts having a signal. Looks like that bottom number is how far away I am from me, which is 178 meters, I'm assuming it is. I think the 50 that I was looking at is probably 50 meters high. Like I said, I am assuming a lot because I'm very new at this. And this is only maybe the second real flight I've taken. I've done a couple where I just went up and down and didn't do much more. This park's a little further away than the image transmission signal, maybe block. Position remote controller to face aircraft and adjust antennas. Optimal signal strength, fly at higher altitude. Oh, okay. Let's try going up. See if I get a better signal. And maybe that weak signal, adjust antennas, will go away. There really isn't any antennas. I don't know how you adjust antennas on this drone. But there's the park. You can see a baseball diamond right there. Pretty clear. I do like how clear it is. I like, with the wind we do have, it's very stable. A couple of baseball diamonds there. I don't go to this park much. I used to. I know they've got some tennis courts there. Oh, there they are on the left. And looks like a few baseball diamonds. And we are losing signal again, so I'm going to turn around and come back home. know I live this direction. See if I could find my way home from the sky. You know, you get used to seeing your way around on trees. I know there's some kind of a come home button. Let's see if I can find that. I believe it's this button on the left. Yes, return to home. Let's see what that does.
Obstacle sensing unavailable. Fly with caution.
It says obstacle.
Return to home.
Probably heard that. Obstacle avoidance. Not there. Be careful. And there is a button on the left says tap to cancel RTH, which is return to home. But it looks like it is coming home. I can still pan down. I think I recognize our neighborhood. Yep. My home should be somewhere right in the middle of the screen. Yep, that is exactly where we're heading. Looking up in the sky, I do not see it. It must be pretty high up there. Now I am going to cancel the return to home because we do have overhead power lines in my neighborhood.